Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can disable apps in Realme Phone. So in order to do that, you will need to launch settings first, then go for the, where is the settings app? Okay, here it is. Then over here enter the apps section, go for the app management. In here open the, first of all find the app that you would like to turn off or disable. So let's say I'll go with Google Chrome, and in here, in order to disable it, just tap at the respective button over here. Then confirm your choice by tapping at the disable option at the following pop-up window. And well, that would be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.